The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Gayle King, with your Oprah Winfrey looking ass, you ain't shit. In fact, you ain't what the little bird left on the fence. Why did you feel it was necessary in your interview to bring up something that happened over 20 years ago and was dismissed about Kobe Bryant? How are you going to call him a rapist and that has never been proven in a court of law? Because you're sucking on the clit of Oprah Winfrey and you are a wannabe. Let me tell you something. It's black folk like you that are cowards who want to defame and demean black folk and especially black men. But then maybe it's because you don't like black men or you don't like men, period, that you want to assassinate the character of Kobe Bryant. Bitch, get a life.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. This is Dancehall Skilla. You see it? And the video that I just presented to you shows of a person that is said to be a pastor. You see me? And according to what has been said on social media is that this person is known as the cousin pastor. You see me? And some persons call him Pastor Matthews. You see me? I have another video clip that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers. It's a short video clip, and I'm going to show you this video clip, a little from now, And this video clip is said to be of a news reporter that says the N-word during a news report of when Kobe Bryant had lost his life during the helicopter crash. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I'm going to show you that video clip. It's short. In a little from now, I'm going to show you that, viewers and subscribers. But the video that I just showed you, my viewers and subscribers, which is showed of Pastor Matthews, is out on social media where some persons are saying that it is disrespectful as to how Pastor Matthews had, talked about Gayle King and, Oprah Winfrey. You see what I'm saying to you? And some persons find it very disrespectful. Some persons are saying that he's just saying it as it is, But viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that it is not necessary to use harsh languages to get your point across. You see me? Yeah, and that's just my point of view, You can let me know what you think. I'm just saying that there are better ways to let persons understand what you're trying to say out there. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk a little bit about what Pastor Matthews is talking about. Anyways, you see what I'm saying to you? Because this whole thing is out there on social media about Gayle King and Kobe Bryant and so on. You see me? This whole issue where you hear this person that is known as Pastor Matthews is mentioning Oprah Winfrey's name and Gayle King is about something that had happened where it is said that Gayle King somehow found herself in the middle of the controversy, of Kobe Bryant a long time ago sexual assault case. You get me? Yeah, so basically what had happened is that the person that is known as Gayle King, while interviewing another female, somehow brought up the whole sexual assault case that involves Kobe Bryant. You see me? And because that had happened now, it is said that Gayle King is receiving death threats, right? Now, Oprah Winfrey go on television talking about Gayle King and this whole issue of death threats and all these things. Is what I'm saying to you? So that's basically what Pastor Matthews is talking about. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, Kobe Bryant is the basketball player that died in an helicopter crash. You see me? And ever since that had happened, viewers and subscribers, Kobe Bryant's name had been mentioned on social media in good things and in bad things. I've even seen a news report, you see me, like during the time when the helicopter had crashed. I've seen a news report where the person that is reporting the news says the N-word. The N-word, right? Now, some persons find it funny. some persons are saying that the person that is doing the news report is calling Kobe Bryant the N-word, and some persons are saying that it's just a mistake. Alright, fine. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play this short video for you, my viewers and subscribers, and just take a listen and tell me what you think.
He played on.
Yeah, it seems like he was just the kind of athlete, the kind of star that was perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go to Bill Roden. He's joining me by phone. That's Bill Roden of ESPN's The Undefeated.
Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media, where it is said that a news reporter says the N-word during the news report of the incident where Kobe Bryant had lost his life. Alright, and you can let me know what you think about what has been said in that short video clip, you see me? And you can let me know what you think about what Pastor Matthews had said, you see me? So this is where me leave it, viewers and subscribers, you know. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see it.